Been wondering. I don't know of any teaching of Jesus that says one kind of a man is any less worthy of saving than any other kind of a man. Do any of you?
Excuse me, sir. This is a service. Please take your seat.
I've been walking around this church for 3 days trying to find a Christian soul, and I've found one. Frances, who cares so deeply about this church and her children. I understand that you can't all continuously help others. You have jobs and responsibilities. I know that. But what does it mean to you individually to follow Jesus? Does it mean you go to church on Sunday? Maybe, but is that really all there is to following his example? Would he have considered abandoning his church because of a personal loss? Would he have thrown food at a hungry stranger? Would he use his talents as a leader to lead someone else astray? Would he have raised the cost of his goods illegally? Would he have fraudulently talked about his business? Would he walk right past a man on the street who so obviously needed his help? Would he have stolen from his neighbor? Would he have ordered a man out of his church who so desperately wanted only to pray? What would this world be like today if everybody tried to act as Jesus did? In your daily lives, try asking yourself that one simple question. What would Jesus